Good morning, all of you. My name is Kavyanjali Chaudhary.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhavika Sen.
When does your birthday fall on?
It falls on 14th February.
Oh, your birthday is very coming soon.
Yes, I am so excited for my.
Which toffees will you bring for children?
I bring for children's munch. I will bring munch toffees.
On your birthday, how to celebrate your birthday?
Firstly, I get up. I will get up early in the morning. I will go to temple for prayer and come buy toffees for poor men's and come and buy toffees for also my school's friends and children's and teachers.
And my birthday is also coming soon.
You tell about the celebration of birthday. How do you celebrate?
Firstly, I will get up early in the morning, and then I will go to temple and put a plant also. I will plant on my birthday, and then I will buy chocolates for my school friends, and then I will come to school and distribute chocolates for my classmates, schoolmates, and teachers also. And then in evening we will go to buy some balloons, cake, sweets, and many things for decorate house. And then I will decorate house and cut the cake, and then we will go to a hotel for dinner. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Yuvraj Jat.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Tanis Meena.
We are doing general conversation. Your village have a government school?
Yes, my village have a government school. My village has government school.
Where is your government school? In your village.
In my village at Gangapur.
How many rooms in your government school?
In government there are 20 rooms in my government school.
Your government school have a playground?
No, my government school has not a playground.
Which game do you like?
I like cricket.
So today we will play cricket.
Which period we will play cricket?
7th period we will play cricket.
Okay. Do you have bat?
Yes, I have a bat.
Which company do you have bat?
I have a tone bat.
And do you have ball?
Yes, I have a 2 balls.
I have 2 balls.
I have 2 balls.
Which balls?
I have Vicky and Cosco's ball.
It is very good balls.
Yes.
In lunch we will play volleyball, and in 7th period we will play cricket.
Yes.